Alright, here we have a Zenith solid state tape deck. This was featured in a video a while back, and I just kind of want to feature it again, take a closer look at it. I have a Casio 6-volt power supply connected to this thing. So this is like a 1963, 64, so this is like the first Zenith cassette deck out there. Extremely rare, and I am the first person to make a YouTube video or to put a picture out there. That's how rare this thing is. And so it works. Sort of. It has that to it. This little recording level right there. So I'm just gonna pop in this tape right here. Sounds of the 80s, 1985. You can barely hear it. This is actually the on and off switch on the microphone, which you can attach. I never tried to record with this thing. That's what we can do in this video! You can record on it. Okay. Well, let's find something to record. Hold on. Crap. I gotta find a tape now that I can record onto. I don't know. How about Christmas music cassette tape? Perfect. Just a random Christmas music cassette tape. Forward, Wisconsin's motto. Oh shoot. Yeah, this thing is problematic, so I'm gonna disconnect the power cord, get all the power out of it, and put this microphone back. Let's see inside. I already have all the screws removed. See, I plan for my videos, guys. Just set my camera in the normal spot when I do stuff on the floor. Come on, open up. Oh shoot, my lamp went out. Oh, now we got it back. Okay. Here we have it. Zenith, non-spawn, but please call me. Zenith, this is a model, autofocus, please. Model C608. Transistors, looks like we have 6 of them. There's a little thing right there. Controls, volume, lamp adjust, and bias adjust, transformers, all of those. And believe it or not, that little logo right there is what I believe is Hitachi. So this set was made in Japan, and I'm not surprised that Hitachi made it then, since I have a RCA radio that was made in Japan that was made by Hitachi. So let's just have a quick little look of what's in there. Not sure if those are replacements or not. They look new. They look pretty new. They don't look beginning of the 60s. got a nice field, well, I'm not sure if that's a field coil speaker, it's just one of those speakers with a big block on it. Is that a field coil speaker? Whatever. Resistor right there at the front. Look through there. Ooh. Fast forward and rewind work and everything too. That is a big motor. Does it have stickers on that will give us like a direct date, like how some tape recorders have? Oh, there's a sticker on there. On like the top. Okay, I think we had a pretty good look at it. So I guess this will be the end of the video, and I will tell you in the description what that sticker says, because I need to put down the camera to take a look at it. So until next time, bye.